Hello, my lovely Swing Jessipeps. Welcome back to my channel. So sorry if my voice is like this because I'm having this sore throat for a week already. And thankful that I have a voice already because for 3 days I lost my voice. That's why I'm so thankful to Pay Pakwa because I got my voice back. Well, it's not normalized yet, but eventually it will come back. Yes, my normal voice will come back. So you better take Pay Pakwa if you have sore throat, cough, colds, because it's very effective and it's a natural remedy for you guys. Yes. The candy is not effective on me, so really the liquid, the Pay Pakwa. So I will insert a picture of the Pay Pakwa because I already consumed it. The two bottles were already consumed. So it was gifted to me by the marketing head of the company Pay Pakwa. Yes, so because all of us got cough and colds and sore throat. Yes, and Pay Pakwa really helped us a lot, and our cough and colds were not worsened because of the Pay Pakwa. Yeah, okay. So just a little story about my voice. And I'm now here in Manila this early morning because we need to get the other car because we will use it on Monday for our trip in Bicol and Matnog. Yes, so stay tuned for that travel vlog. But before that, the reason I'm doing this vlog because I want to share you my belated Mother's Day gift from my husband. Yes. And I didn't expect that I will be able to get this. Yeah. And that's why during Mother's Day, I didn't receive any from him because it was already purchased in advance. Yes. Yes. So what I'm talking about is this one, the limited Louis Vuitton by Murakami. Yes. So without further ado, let's get started. Yes, my love is my Jessipeps. So this is the paper bag. Yeah, so I'm happy that I got the paper bag because some of the clients who purchased the Louis Vuitton by Murakami collection, they didn't get this paper bag. Yes, and good thing I got it. Like the one also when I got my Yayoi, the Louis Vuitton by Yayoi. Yes, and yeah, so happy. And also, it has the ribbon. Yeah, the ribbon of Murakami here, as you can see. Yeah, there. So that's the ribbon. It was wrapped in this ribbon. But there are those stickers and the panda or the alien. But it's okay because I'm after with the item. Yes, I mentioned to you from my previous 3 vlogs of Louis Vuitton by Murakami collection with my sis Chai that I wasn't able to get any from the collection because the one I wanted was closed already for pre-ordering. And luckily, on the second drop of the Louis Vuitton by Murakami Cherry Blossom, this item opened. So I grabbed the opportunity to go to Louis Vuitton and I informed my husband about it. Then I went to Louis Vuitton with my friend. Yes, so I didn't I didn't film it because I wanted to be surprised. Yes, didn't. Since I'm already here in Manila, so we just did some errands and get the other car. Nga, I decided to swing by to Louis Vuitton to get it from my gorgeous CA Aljen. And because my plan is to get it on the last day of May, that's really the time that I will come back here in Manila. Because right now we have some commitments there in Gumaca, Quezon. And tomorrow, which is today, the fiesta of one of our patrons, San Isidro. So there will be festivities in our hometown, and I'll be featuring it also to you, my lovely Soy Chancellor, so that you can see how we celebrate the Aranyat Baluarte, the San Isidro Festival. So that's how we call it. Okay? So yan. So, yeah. A while ago, I planned to shoot some new items from Louis Vuitton, but I decided that's better to focus for this unboxing. Yes. So, yeah. So, so without further ado, let's start it. So I will not ruin the ribbon because I will unbox it sa IG. Yeah. So this is it. That's it. I'll see. So it comes with this. Yeah, it comes with the booklet. So yun. Pero yung other sunglasses ko parang walang booklet. Yan. So, yan. So, this is it. But before I unbox this, so, just giving you a little bit of excitement. This is the packaging of Yayoi Kusama. Yeah. So, yan. Here. So, here. Same then. Yan. And this is the shade of the Yayoi Kusama. You already saw this, but I'm just, this one. This is the Yayoi Kusama. So yun. And, actually, I haven't seen this. So, this is the first time that I will also this item. Maybe some of you already know what's in this box. So, okay. So, let's see. So, yan. So, magnetic siya. Yan, magnetic. Yan. So, that's it. So, yan. Oh my God. Let's see this. Oh my God, talaga. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Ta-da! Oh my God, this is so nice. Ayan, oh. So, meron pa siyang plastic here. Pero the other one, there's no plastic. Oh my God. Yan, oh. So, this is the limited Murakami. Limited monogram of Murakami. Then the flower here of Louis Vuitton. And here. Yan. Oh my God. So let's try this. Oh my God. This is so nice. My love is my Joseph's. It's the same thing lang din ang Yayoi ko. Oh my God. And the nice thing about this, it's light brown. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so nice. Oh my God. Oh my God talaga. Let's compare it, no? Parang the same. I thought it's bigger, but it's the same. Yeah. So the same with this. So it's the same pala. So here, it's the same size. I thought it's bigger than the yayoy. Maybe the polka dots give illusion that this one is bigger, but it's the same. Tingnan na natin. Oh, the same lang talaga siya. I don't know. Parang the same lang talaga eh, no? Oh my God. This is so nice. So here, the flower is visible. Yeah. Meron lang siya dito. But here, wala. Wala na siya nung katulad nito. With the LV and then flower. But the same. They have the same like this. But more visible on this white sunglasses. Yeah. Same. And this one. Oh my God. I love this. This is so nice. Oh my God. Even though I wasn't able to get the one I love from Your Beauty Mother's Day collection because it's already sold out even before Mother's Day. So my lovely CA Liren did her best to secure one for me, but it cannot be reserved. So, but let's see if I will be able to get the atomizer. I really want this atomizer. Actually, the atomizer lang talaga yung gusto ko. And then the blooming bouquet, I plan to give it to one of my besties. Yeah, the blooming bouquet. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so nice. Oh my God, I'm gonna use this on our Dine yacht party because our theme is white, and this is perfect for that. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so nice. I love this way, Jazzy Babes. Do you agree with me? Okay, so that's it. My love is my Jazzy Babes. So at least I got one item from the Louis Vuitton Murakami. I really want this Alma Baby, but when we decided to purchase it, because you can use this, you can use some cards that you can pay it for 6 months. Yeah, but apparently it closed immediately and I have no chance. Even the Speedy monogram, the Cherry Blossom, which is very nice with the bag chain, yun nga lang, my regret was I wasn't able to get the notebook and the perfume. Yeah. But it's okay because this sunglasses is my priority. Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much, my love. This is my Chassis Pips for spending time watching this very important unboxing. So to all the beautiful mothers out there, happy Mother's Day, and stay tuned for more travel vlogs this time. So I'll be featuring our Aranyad Baluarte and my trip to Bicol. Yes. And soon, when I really come back, let's the usual fashion and beauty vlogs. Okay? So, thank you once again, my love is my Jazzy Pips, and I'm so tan, yeah. Yeah, because of the campaign. Yes, so I had color. Okay, so that's it. I love you, my love is my Jazzy Pips. So, in a couple of weeks, my color will be more tan. Yes, because I'll be swimming a lot. I'll be going to some beaches. Okay, let's stay tuned for my travel vlog, okay? So thank you so much, my love is my Jazzy Pips, and see you in my next vlog. Bye! Love you. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so nice. Oh my God.